Respected sir and ma'am, good morning to one and all. This is L. Vasant Kumar. I am pursuing 10th standard at Lokji Tutorial. Today, I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now, I am saying complete seminar regarding chemical bonding. Before I am starting the seminar, I want to share very important few lines in my today's seminar. Today, my seminar will continue with 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark and 8 mark questions. So, my humble advice is please watch my video from starting point to ending point without fail. Let's start the seminar. Chemical bonding. What is chemical bonding? This question may be asked in public exam for 1 mark. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. What is chemical bonding? Chemical bonding is nothing but the attraction between and the repulsion between any two atoms is known as chemical bonding. The chemical bonding occur in noble gas formation, octet formation also. In this chemical bond, the very important bonds is there. Pi bond, sigma bond, covalent bond, ionic bond. First, we will discuss about covalent bond. What is covalent bond? This question may be asking in public exam for 1 mark only for definition. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. What is covalent bond? The mutual sharing of electrons in two atoms is known as covalent bond. Let us move to next topic. Ionic bond. What is ionic bond? This question may be asked in public exam for 1 mark only for definition. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. What is ionic bond? It is in the form of crystal formation. The ionic bond contain mutual sharing of electrons does not occur, and it will transfer the electrons one atom to another atom is known as ionic bond. We will move to next topic. Pi bond. What is pi bond? The pi bond is nothing but the sideways overlapping of an electron is known as pi bond. And sigma bond. What is sigma bond? The sigma bond is nothing but the overlapping of end on end manner is known as sigma bond. And octet rule. We will move to next topic. What is octet rule? It is for 2 marks in public exam. The same question asked in public exam previously 2 times. What is octet rule? The octet rule is nothing but in any electron or any atom contain the valence electrons in 8 electrons is known as octet rule. The octet rule will applicable to the noble gas. Noble gas is nothing but oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Here oxygen contain 8 electrons and the valence of electrons contain 8. So here we conclude that octet means 8 now. Here octet rule will applicable to the oxygen. The types of the noble gases contain octet rules. I will show the image of octet rule valency, the oxygen. Here the oxygen atom explained by Lewis dot structure. The Lewis dot structure is nothing but here the elements are showed by the dot valency. Here dots is nothing but electrons. Here contain 8 electrons. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here contain 8 electrons. So here known as noble gas. Noble gas contain octet rule. Here we will conclude that in the formation of oxygen, it contain octet rule because it contain valence of electrons 8 electrons. It is the atom of oxygen in the presence of Lewis dot structure. This is the formation of NaCl. Do you know friends how we are eating the salt and how the producing the salt? Salt is nothing but sodium chloride. The short form is NaCl. Na means sodium, Ca means chloride. Here first the NaCl will form it with cation and anion. Cation means plus, anion means minus. Here Na contain nothing but sodium contain 11 electrons. When the 11 electrons contain to the sodium, it will lose the one electron because here mutual sharing of electron is going. Nothing but covalent bond. It will lose one electron. And the chloride contains 17 electrons. It will gain one electron. And then 17 plus 1, 18 electrons. It will gain 18 electrons. So electronic configuration of chloride is 2, 8, 8. And NaCl is only 2, 8. Because here one electron is mutual shared occur. So here we will conclude that the formation of NaCl is occurred in the presence of covalent bond. Have you observed this, Mitch? Next topic is formation of oxygen. A combination of oxygen and nitrogen atoms. The formation occur means the same question asked in public exam previously 4 times. This question asking for public exam in 4 times for 4 marks. This is very important for 4 marks. In this new pattern important for 8 marks. I will show the picture of how the oxygen will bond, chemical bond occur. This is the O2 molecule. This is one O2 molecule, this is the second one O2 molecule. If they combine means here observe, here bonding is going. Bonding. So bonding is nothing but chemical bonding. Here bonding is nothing but the attraction of any two atoms at a certain manner is known as chemical bonding. Here bonds will form. Pi bond, sigma bond. Here one sigma bond and next pi bond will be prepared. Do you know, friends? We are inhaling this atom, nothing but oxygen. We are inhaling the oxygen, no? How the oxygen atom will be present? This like, with the help of pi bond and sigma bond. Are you observed? I will show the next image, formation of N2 molecule. Y Z X Y Z. When the combine, here also chemical bond will occur. Here observe, here also bonding is going. Bonding, the attraction between two atoms. Here bonding. Here pi bond, sigma bond, sigma bond. Here double pi bond, double sigma bond will be produced. This is the nitrogen molecule. Next topic is formation of CH4. Do you know, friends, what is CH4? CH4 is nothing but methane. It contains most percentage in our atmosphere. The large percent is CH4 methane. I will show the picture of CH4 methane. It contains one carbon atom and four hydrogen atoms. One, two, three, four. Plus 1, 2, 3. Here observe means CH4. It contains one carbon atom, four hydrogen atoms. Here one atom. The bond will be here middle atom is C and RH. It is a molecule of CH4. Here bonding is going. The hydrogen atoms are combined with one carbon atom. Is known as CH4. It is methane molecule. Methane. I will rough it. Let us move to next topic. Formation of NH3. The NH3 is nothing but ammonia. The ammonia formula is NH3. It contains one nitrogen atom and next is hydrogen atom. I will show the picture of nitrogen atom and the hydrogen atom with a combination of ammonia, NH3. These dots are known as electrons. H. Here bonding is occurred in the presence of nitrogen atom, hydrogen atoms. Ammonia. This is the molecule of ammonia. In the presence of nitrogen atom, 3 hydrogen atoms. N2H. This is the molecule of ammonia. Do you know, friends, how we are drinking water? What is the formula of water? H2O. It contains two hydrogen atoms, one oxygen atom. In the presence of hydrogen and oxygen, we are drinking water. But we don't know how the water molecule will be present. Which type of bonding is going in the hydrogen and carbons. In contain carbons, minerals, all will be present in the H2O in the presence of hydrogen and oxygen. I will show the molecule of oxygen and water. We are drinking these atoms. Here, water molecule. It contains one oxygen atom, two hydrogen atoms. So the formula is H2O. But we don't know. We are drinking these atoms. So I am explaining about H2O molecule. Here contain one oxygen atom. Here contain two hydrogen atoms. With the combination of one oxygen atom, two hydrogen atom, it will begin this molecule, this water molecule. And last molecules is formation of O2 and N2, formation of oxygen and nitrogen in the presence of Lewis dot structure, nothing but Lewis symbol. What is the picture of Lewis dot structure in the presence of? First, oxygen atom. It will be prepared. This is the Lewis dot structure symbol in the presence of oxygen atom. Here contain valence number is 8 electrons. This is the Lewis dot structure in the oxygen atom. And next image is nitrogen. One. This electronic configuration is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is atomic number is 6. We are observing the atomic number in the presence of electrons. By the observing these valence electrons, we are observing the atomic number and the valence electrons. Here bond is prepared. Or this like also. Here double bond occurred. Here triple bond occurred. The nitrogen atom contain double bond and triple bond. In the presence of Lewis dot structure. Lewis is a great scientist. He is explained by dots, nothing but valence electrons. He introduced oxygen and nitrogen atoms in the presence of number of electrons in the oxygen atom, number of electrons in nitrogen atom. These are valence electrons. And last and final topic is hybridization. In the hybridization, there are important topics is sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp3 hybridization. I will discuss about hybridization. What is hybridization? The hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of orbitals with a new set of energies and equal shapes is known as hybridization. In the hybridization contain sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, and sp3 hybridization. First we will discuss about sp hybridization. The intermixing of one s orbital, one p orbital is known as sp hybridization. And next topic is sp2 hybridization. The intermixing of one s orbital, two p orbitals is known as sp2 hybridization. And next topic is sp3 hybridization. The sp3 hybridization is nothing but the intermixing of one s orbital, three p orbitals is known as sp3 hybridization. In this lesson, very important is formation of molecules and hybridization. Explain the types of bonds. Before I am leaving the seminar, I want to repeat again the important questions in the chemical bonding. First, what is chemical bonding? How many types of bonds is there? What is pi bond? What is sigma bond? What is covalent bond? What is ionic bond? How the oxygen will produce? What is the valence electron are present in the oxygen? How the NaCl formation will occur? How many electrons will divide into the NaCl crystalline solution? How the nitrogen atom will be produced? Explain the formation of CH4, nothing but methane. Explain the formation of NH3. Explain the oxygen atoms and the nitrogen atoms formation. And explain the oxygen atom and nitrogen atom in the presence of Lewis dot structure. These are for 4 marks. Very important in public exam. The same question asked in public exam many times. So please observe this question, very important, and read thoroughly. And very important is hybridization. What is hybridization? How many types of hybridization is there? Explain the sp hybridization, explain sp2 hybridization, explain sp3 hybridization. These are for 4 marks. This very important lesson is in the chemistry lesson, in the chemistry subject. So my humble advice is, please read thoroughly with helpful concentration. I hope you are all understood my seminar. Thanks for spending your valuable time for listening my words. Stay home, stay safe.